This is gonna be the hardest surgery I've ever had to do. Nurse, quick, hand me the scalpel.
But sir, he's not gonna make it.
Don't say that, he's gonna make it because he needs to make it. Now give me the scalpel, quick!
Okay, but do your best.
It's done. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it!
Oh my goodness, I can't believe you did it.
Today I have found myself 3 footballs and I'm gonna be filling them with random objects to see how they react. 1, water. Next, helium. Last, and my personal favorite, slime. Let's get started. So, we are at the field. We're ready. We got the balls all lined up. Frank, pick a number and that's gonna be the first ball we try.
Gotta be number 2.
Number 2.
Oh, that's a big one. That's...
Here, bro, it's a helium ball.
Oh, what? Oh. That W does not stand for helium. It stands for water.
Hey. We'll take it easy on you. First of all, we're gonna do the punting challenge. Here, you'll go first.
This is gonna...
So how we're gonna do this, we're gonna make this a competition. That's what we love to do. We hate our friendship, so we wanna challenge each other. So what we're gonna do is if you win that specific challenge, right now, if Frank punts this thing 60 some yards, I punt it 30, Tommy punts it 20, and then Joe punts it 10, Frank's gonna get 1 point. The person with the most points at the end of the match wins, and they get to pick whatever ball they want. They can have it.
Oh, they get to keep it.
They can have it.
That's what that meant, okay.
Right now, if you go down in that comment section, leave a comment if you want a football. We will sign the football, and one of you lucky subscribers will get it. You have to like and comment, and I'll ship it out to you, all right? Like, go, do it now. All right, Frank, you're ready? Don't cross that goal line.
Wow. I think I heard some water come out of that.
You got 5 yards.
I'd rather have 5 than be hurt.
Oh boy.
Yeah, now you're realizing your mistake. Holy crap.
My goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't confirm. It's about 10.5 yards.
I'll give him 11. I'll give him 11. I think it's closer to 11.
11 yards
It's
for
11
Logan.
because of that side. We'll go by that way, just to give an extra yard to
Kind of sad to say, but I'll take an 11-yard punt.
I want to
yeah,
break
it rolled
my
really
ankle.
good. Like, I just...
Good luck.
Did you get that at the
Thank you.
top of your foot?
Oh, that's good.
Yo!
That's good. 14 yards for Joe.
Wow.
Like, do you see what I'm
Just
saying?
shattered my shin.
I say we give him 50.
I have a different strategy to kick than you guys, and I can't believe nobody's thought of it
So
yet.
with their left foot?
No.
Are you gonna knee it?
No.
What is your different strategy to kick?
Ow! Wow, that does hurt. Oh, wow. I mean... you have a sudden death?
I mean, technically now.
Are you guys both okay with re-kicking? You both
What's the
would
other
re-kick?
option? Take a
Each
half
of you
a point?
takes a point?
Is a half a point worth anything?
No.
Each of you takes a point.
Is there no
Just
half
kick it.
points?
There's no half points.
Just first.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that worked!
Wow. Joe, how's that feeling?
Good, dude, that was worse. How consistent
Okay.
I am.
There you go. Tommy,
Consistency.
you get 1 point. Frank, I don't even think you could throw a real football 10 yards, let alone one filled with water. Ooh.
Actually, really good, Frank.
We give out like 18 yards?
Everybody that's watching us try to throw a football and it goes less than 20 yards, it has no idea that it's filled with water.
Yeah, well, it's filled with water, dude.
So what, is that 18?
I don't think anybody else knows.
Is that 18? He said that.
Holy crap. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Up. 15, 16 and a half, 16 and a half, 17. Is this even legal?
I feel like this is gonna go so.
Oh, that actually might be nice.
Oh no.
Oh, no, it died on him.
It died.
It died. Oh!
Not the best idea.
Just remember, I have massive hands, so throwing this should be no issue.
Okay, TJ.
Wow. All right, there we go.
What is that? 22? 22? Okay.
There is no freaking way. Ah! That's like the only way to do it is to get it with like your arm and like this. You gotta like chicken wing it. There's no way to one hand that.
Oh yeah, there's no way.
What do you mean there's no way?
I mean, maybe with the right hand.
I'll show you a way, dude.
You actually, like,
That's very degrading. Gonna be honest here.
Bro, you can't even catch a ball from 5 yards, bro.
See what you got, buddy.
All right.
Hilarious.
like,
I don't know. But you want to count that
We'll
out?
give it to you. Oh, Frank says no. Frank says no. Oh, premature celebration.
leg.
What do you say, Joe?
Like arm was down here by the leg, bro. Short.
That's 2, yes.
It's not unanimous. Camera, never mind.
Yep. Tough, dude.
The winner, Logan.
It's a yes from me.
Joe, pick a number.
1.
1. Let's find out what ball number 1 is.
Normal ball.
Oh, that's
Ready?
It's not worth it, yeah. Oh yeah, you're punting. Holy crap.
That's a normal football?
54. I'm an animal. Oh God.
There's kids around.
Oh, sorry, kids.
Oh, that was
I'll grab it, dude.
the world's most sorry 44-yard punt of all time.
Skimmer. Skimmer.
Skimmer's winner.
Oh.
Ooh.
Bad.
The boomer.
45.
Oh. Yes! Oh no! 45.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
36. It's right between 36 and 37.
Give him 36.
Okay.
Yep, I suck. Frank, how do you kick it?
I just got outthrown by Frank. 39.
Oh, 40.
Spiral. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh.
40. Joe, where'd you go? Yeah, you're in first place.
$33.
33.
Send it.
Go?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Like, it's literally up here like this.
That's not good.
Yeah, that bounced. I'm not even gonna lie, that one bounced. Yeah.
That looked like it hit your stomach, Joe. I'm gonna say no to that one. Logan? Oh. Oh.
Boob.
You did. What are you? Oh my God! It rolled up his arm into his chest.
Oh my gosh, did Frank win that? Cody, pick a number. 4.
Oh, that's actually a number? Okay.
Helium ball! This is good. All right, Joe, you are first up to punt, my friend.
Hunting first, I forgot. Dude, that was
Okay. Bro, helium ball for the win?
Helium. Oh, 52-yard boot.
52!
Oh. Hold on, that might go 52 yards. It actually might. Wait a second.
It's slowing? Joe, where's that ball?
It's 46.
Bounce? Bounce sideways?
Oh my goodness. Oh, okay.
47? He's not wasting any time. She's in there. Oh! Logan, we're not trying to pin people. Dog, you kicked it backwards.
I ain't even mad.
Dude. 28-yard punt. Ouch.
You okay?
We're just really not good at any of the stuff we're doing today. But
Thanks for that. That really motivated me, buddy.
Just it's throwing, right?
Throwing. Don't cross.
for real?
22.
For real?
Here we go, Logan. Throw and
Oh wow, he's off to the races already. Oh man. Oh, feels backwards again. 42.
You got 42.
What's over the line?
Joe, that went backwards. You went the wrong way. I think that was 43, Joe. Oh, I meant 33, sorry.
Line drive. Liner.
32. He dancing.
Oh, is that 45?
Now let's go to the one-handed catch.
On the line.
there.
What was that?
Well, no, I'm throwing it to him. He's doing the
Catch
line.
That's one. Other hand, Frank. Oh, he's zenning out. Oh.
You're welcome.
Got it. FTC, flight team stand up. Oh, I'm gonna have to say yes to that one.
That's one. You sound like you really didn't want to.
I didn't want to. Oh,
No, it was,
clutch.
it was-
Clutch. Come on, Frank, you got this, dog.
I think we should do a
Catch?
jump ball. Someone throws it up, whoever jumps up and catches it with one hand wins.
Lost the fruit
With
bowl
one hand,
contest
too.
already.
Yeah.
That's bad, that's bad.
That counts. Did you catch it with one hand?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh.
I did.
Yeah, then you're good.
I
You
did
got
catch
the
it one
point.
hand.
Cody, pick a number between 3 and 3.
He did it, not me.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It is Mr. Sir Slime Ball. You better shake, dude. Hit it. Isn't that crazy how you feel the vibration?
Oh wow, it's like a pulse.
Yeah.
Frank said, let me throw this from 5 yards behind the goal line. Let's throw it from the back of the end zone.
12.
Give me 5 more yards. Give me 5 more yards because of that. Like,
I think you just messed up.
To be fair, he did choose to throw it from here.
I agree.
Right. I'll go next. There you go. Since you threw it from here, should I throw it from here too? No, bro. But, oh! I feel like she's gonna explode.
She is sealed.
we'll
Give me credit.
A 26?
26.
You gotta call me White Boy Vic for no reason.
Who calls you that? Please tell me 3 people that call you
You're
that.
supposed to pretend like you call me that.
Oh,
Logan calls me that.
Logan calls you that.
Call me it.
What'd you say again?
White Boy Vic.
White boy Vic, dude.
See? 26 yards. Oh!
Roll, baby.
Oh, that actually is about the rule, huh? Joe?
22?
22.
We're gonna go left. Right first. Okay.
Oh, you almost had it, bro. That's clean. Bro.
That's the dirtiest
Fed
clean I've ever
behind
seen,
fence,
bro.
Clean. Wow, that was kind of nice.
Sugar! All right. 1.
I guess.
Not bad.
Could be worse. Oh, you hate to be Joe right now. Oh my god! That was low-key clean.
It's pliable.
Did this slime morph to your fingers? Oh my gosh, did you see how that thing was flying?
Cleaner than mine.
Okay.
Okay, well now I've
Whoa.
lost it. I'm not touching that.
So now,
Whoa. I'm delivering Frank. Oh, that's what you would do to a baby.
what we're gonna do is you're gonna catch as many as you can. Whoever catches the most one-handed catches
Out of
will
what?
then win.
Out of what?
Until you drop it. So if you drop one, you're out. One.
Dang, I suck. That couldn't be me.
You just have to get 2.
Dang, man, those are
At this point, I
tight.
gotta get
Well, you said right.
Oh my goodness.
That was.
over the line.
Hey, way to get down and dirty with that one.
Hey,
Thanks,
you know
bro.
what?
Wait for it.
No, like,
Dang, I thought you were gonna spike her.
I was going
Frank,
to.
you can win this. That's one.
Get that camera out of my face.
Oh, we caught it. Okay.
We have to punt it. She might die. She might die, but we have to beat Tom.
Okay.
Okay? If 2 people are tied, they go into a naked sumo wrestle.
Yes.
We all-
No, I think we go to a field goal. I think we go to a field goal.
Absolutely
Naked.
not. Not even a win.
Wow, that came right at me like a missile. You know what? That's probably a winner. Nobody else is gonna get a roll out of this ball.
We'll see.
RPG. Oh.
rolling.
Stop, stop.
Yes.
Oh, oh man.
Thank you, Joe, for that. I appreciate that.
Imagine playing the ball only 16 yards.
I couldn't.
Hey, couldn't be me.
Couldn't be me, dude. Tommy, to naked sumo wrestle me. Remember, don't kick this more than 22 yards.
As much as I want to do that, I'd rather just win this fair and square. Come on, buddy. Shoot. I didn't know it was so good. Yes.
Wonder what.
You got it.
Get in on that. Logan's got the undies. He's done. And down he goes. He's done.
A little bit awkward.
Awkward.
We just tallied the points,
Oh yeah.
and you, you won, and we naked sumo wrestled for nothing.
I may have known and just wanted a naked sumo wrestle. That was a lot of fun.
So congratulations, I guess. I feel a little bit closer and farther away from you.
Yeah.
What ball would you like to take home?
I want the slime ball.
Slime ball? Congratulations, sir. Your slime ball is all yours while you're editing.
Thank you.
You need a stress ball? Go ahead. That's all yours. Okay?
I will.
And like I said in the beginning of the video, go down to that comment section. Let us know if you want one of these balls. We are signing it and we'll send it out to you. Like and comment what ball you want. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
2v2 soccer whenever you guys get everything cleaned up.
I'm done.